like it's going to dribble. Tortilla chips. Oh, wow.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Craftsman tex-mex and Quatre Bornes.
Brand new. And look at this. They've got Mexican things. Let's go inside and check it out.
Starting with the juice, right? And have a look, I can just pick this cup and he's going to liquidize it for me right there, instantly. Chosen the sweet one. Oh, and then in with some ice and a little bit of water. Here we go. Gotta plug it in, guys, gotta plug it in. Right, here we go. And into the glass.
And you know it's fresh.
And you know it's fresh because it came here. Thank you so much. Oh wow, you can taste the freshness. Oh, it's actually really nice. There's a creaminess to it. Did he put cream in?
No, I think it's like the crushed ice and the pineapple. Pineapple somehow goes creamy.
Yeah.
In the meanwhile, whatever's going on in this kitchen is smelling amazing.
Ricky's decided on the iced tea. And there we go.
Lovely.
Homemade iced tea.
Cheers.
Oh, here we go. Seriously photographed tacos.
Oh, that looks amazing. Oh, wow. With those like crispy nacho chips?
Yeah.
Tortilla chips. Oh, wow.
Oh man, he said I could try one while we wait for mine to come out. Oh, wow, look at these.
They look awesome. I've never seen anything like that. Crunchy.
Crispy. Oh wow. They have just like the perfect flavor on them as well. Well, this is good. I might just order some with some dip.
Oh, tacos into the press.
There you go.
Foodies only. You see, they recognize that I'm coming. It's for me.
So, very cool. Small place, but awesome. And you can see the whole kitchen's in the back there. So you can see what they're cooking for you. And really big problem, you can smell what they're cooking for you.
Oh, get ya now.
Yeah. Oh man.
Good tea.
It looks like the sea.
It does. Oh, it looks like Peribere Beach.
It does. Very comfy table for short people. They literally just opened today. This is their soft opening. And my word, it is popular.
It's so busy here.
This is going to be huge in Quatre Bornes. Nice one, Alex.
Oh, and here's the fish. This is the chicken grilling away. Oh, deep frying away. Look at that sizzle. It's the waffle. It's the ice cream cone for the fried chicken that I just showed you. Oh, and in it goes. Oh, it's like an ice cream. But it's made of chicken. The best kind of ice cream. Oh, and on with the sauce. Oh man, what an awesome idea. I just love this. The slaw. And there on Ricky's salad comes the fish. Oh man, here it comes.
Oh wow, Alex. Oh my word. Those are such exciting starters.
So actually the concept of the Craftsman is to do everything by our own hand. It's like an artisan, designing and building something his own creation.
Brilliant. He's an artisan of food.
Definitely.
Looking forward to it so much, Alex.
Pleasure's mine.
Wow, Rick.
Now that looks incredible. And he said their fish is dorado. Ooh, that feels so juicy. Oh. Fish is perfect.
Oh.
Did you see that?
Oh yes. Oh wow. little sandwich there, Rick. Oh, a Dorado crunchy salami sandwich. Oh yeah. Looking away.
So this is our Creole sauce. It's a little bit spicy.
A spicy Creole sauce has arrived. Must dip. When you finished eating your sandwich.
That's lovely.
Not too spicy.
That is like roasted red peppers, little bits of chili, very, very yummy.
I had this idea.
Go for it.
I'm not quite sure how yet.
Some Creole sauce in. Oh,
Creole sauce.
you're deviling the egg.
Where are you escaping to, buddy? Deviled egg.
Wait, and then you got to put a little bit of this on top. Oh, gorgeous.
Oh, wow. I want to do something more, but I'm just going to eat it.
Go for it.
Look at that, the perfect deviled egg. Homemade, everyone. Oh, the sauce is great.
Yeah, it is really, really nice.
Made for eggs. Oh man, I'm dying to try this, but first the slaw.
It's a great looking slaw.
It is, it's so finely chopped. It sort of reminds me of the King of Grill. Probably standing there in the back just grating this out. Great slaw.
Awesome. What
It
a cool concept.
really is. I wonder if you... I don't really know how to dip it. It's just so fun, I feel like a kid.
Absolutely.
Oh, great chicken.
It's like you could get it and walk around Quatre Bornes. It's like nothing happening, I'm just eating my chicken, don't mind me.
Oh, someone has to do that. Took forever to eat down to the cone.
Yeah,
There's so much
there's a lot of
chicken.
chicken for a
Really, this
starter.
is a starter, you know?
Yeah.
The time to try with the cone for sure.
Chicken waffle. Oh, crunchy cone. Ooh.
It's like a sugar cone. Not much sweetness, but it adds a sweetness to it.
Huh.
I really like that. I wish I had syrup.
Yeah, try telling that to Brian.
A little bit of oil. Oh, and on with the taco shells.
Alex, I thought you said you weren't a chef.
Is that cheese sauce?
Yes.
Oh, and beef carnitas. Oh, wow. And on with the cheese. Oh, look, and you just fold it. Oh, and it's crisped on the outside. Oh, man. And there we are. Oh, spicy barbecue for the beef. Oh man.
Oh, wow.
Tacos
Those
with-
are incredible.
With beef carnitas. Look at that. Oh man.
It's like it's going to dribble. What is that?
It's a secret. He's not telling anyone. And I don't blame him because he's going to be selling these like crazy.
That's amazing. Crispy, flaky, buttery almost. It's like pastry. These things are amazing. I don't even know how you would possibly make them. I thought it would be quite easy, but it's not. It's like soft on the inside, crunchy on the outside.
Taco in Mauritius that I didn't make myself.
It looks incredible.
Beef carnita. I'm dipping in the sauce for sure. And there's a special way to eat a taco, everyone. Tilt your head. Donde está la playa? This is really good sauce. But really guys, this taco, beef carnitas. Oh man, so good.
Let's get a look inside. Oh, you got all that lovely beef. Oh, and the beans and corn and pieces of tomato and peppers.
And cheese.
And then loads of cheese and sauciness. Eat.
It's speaking to me, it was me.
Those 3 beef tacos, 185 rupees. So, Craftsman menu. Starters, super interesting. And of course those nachos, salad box, add sides, and more sides. Oh, yum. Quesadillas. Ooh. Add some sauce and even add toppings on top. Grilled skewers served with Mexican rice or French fries, dips and salad. Those sound incredible. Then you got some burgers, a Mexican fiasco and chiquitas. That's fun to say. That's right up Brian's alley. Loaded buns, dirty dog. They look awesome. Then of course the Mexican tacos, the chicken carnitas. It's been such a happy experience. It's like really some of these places you go to and you feel so happy afterwards. The food is great. The staff are amazing.
But it's a team of guys that came together. They were working in the industry and decided let's just make our own place. So they're all friends.
And I can't wait to see what they do because Alex was saying they're gonna do some exciting things coming up. Every 2 weeks, something new.
Something new every 2 weeks. We've got to be back.
Yeah, we'll be back in Quatre Bornes for sure.
We love Quatre Bornes.
So if you want to get to the Craftsman, head for this iconic building and it's on that street. Oh, and they do have 2 parkings outside, or you can come park here at the Orchard Centre. We did a video on it. Alright everyone, so centre of the island again, Quatre Bornes. And this is the new metro station, so we're just up from the metro station and opposite the Orchard Centre. There.
Video. My stick broke. Same day. Oh wow, Craftsman's. They certainly crafted something tasty. Well anyway everyone, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Wow.